Like, subscribe, and get notified.
गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन हांणी एक प्लांट प्रपोज केल्लो आहा 250 टन्स पर डे विथ 20% बफर 150 टन्स पर डे बायोमिथनेशन प्लांट आणि प्लस 150 MRF वो असले स्केलीचेर वो प्लांट घालपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आहा. स्थानिक लोकांनी आनी हांगा जे पळय रेजिडेंट्स आनी कन्सर्न सिटीजन्स आसा पळय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीतले हांणी हाजेर निशेध केल्लो आनी 2022 ताजी ही चळवळ सुरू आसली. म्हणटकीर आयज परतून सरकारान एक गोवा स्टेट एक्सपर्ट एप्रेजल कमिटी म्हूण काडिल्ली आहा. तांचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंटेशन गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटांतल्यान पावल्लें आहा आनी तांणी सिरियस कन्सर्न रेज केल्ले आहा गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशना कडेन की लोकांची मागणी आयकून घेवपाचो हक्क आसा आनी इट इज अ सिरियस स्टेप्स वीच दे कॅनॉट बायपास म्हणून तांणी परत सरकाराक बरयल्लें आहा. आनी हाचेर तांणी सर्टन ऑब्जर्वेशन्स केल्या की पब्लीक हियरींग सेकंड टायम जावपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना पळय फायंड आवट केलें की ताणें सरकारान पब्लीक हियरींग केन्नाच करूंकूच नासलें. म्हणटकीर हो जागो पळय आहा तो एक असलो इकॉलॉजिकली फ्रेजायल प्लॅट्यू की हांगा मोर दॅन 32 स्प्रिंग्स अँड वॉटरवेज पर्क्युलेट जावन इज एक्टिंग एज अ एक्वाफर and this aquifer is supplementing water to Amlor Lake and Amlor Lake is supplementing to River Sal. River Sal ही एका रिपोर्टान हांवें वाचलां की this is an indigenous river. दुसरे कडेन तुमी जाग्यार पयले आसतले स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सी but he हांगाच्यान विलेजींतल्यान स्टार्ट जाता River Sal and River Sal navigates and cuts through all the villages of Salsette, supplementing water to livelihoods, agriculture and vegetation.
Is no to this plant and whatever the expense that is going towards this plant, distribute with the villages for each panchayat to set up their own plants. That is the solution. You can't burden one place for garbage coming from somewhere else.
They knew that everything is going to go to Mopa, that's why they brought this plant. This is in the funnel zone. One jet had fallen somewhere very close here, right?
So the naval people also are at risk.
So for what is this plant?
We have been pursuing this from the time they had proposed it even 2.5 years back, and right now, last week when there was a press note, we have got aware of how things are moving, and for that the constituents of Nuve constituency, in the recent press release from the Goa Appraisal Committee putting clearance for the solid waste management plant at Verna on hold, is a perfect case study of how government and its agencies operate in an ad hoc manner, showing scant respect to the law and due processes that are mandatory.
Watch on Herald TV.